So these were the programs I was asking about. So I had given this requirement to implement. I hope you have done that successfully. So now if you see this, these are the programs which we should implement right now. So whether a number is even or not, leap year or not, whether whether a person, not year is gender. I think this is we should correct it. Whether a to check whether gender. I think check the gender of a person. So to check gender of a person, this is I think this is what you should do it anyhow. Gender of a person. I'll just solve all this in this video, and then we'll move to the next topic, that is multiple if. So I hope you are ready for this. Let's start with that. So the first program, finding out whether a number is even or not. How do you do that? We had learned in the school days, you know what's an even number. If a number is divisible by 2 and remainder equal to 0, we call it as an even number. So now you should divide given number or a variable by 2 and check that whether that result is equal to 0. That is very important. So how do you do that? To get remainder, we have to use the operator percentile. Percentile gives you remainder. So let's apply that. If a percentile 2 equal to 0, then of course you just need only one variable right now. You don't need 2. Then if this is true, I am dividing a with 2, and if that is equal to 0, it's an even number. Now we just display that here. What is that? A is an even. So that's enough. I hope you got this. So how to check whether a number is even or not? Divide that number with 2, and if remainder equal to 0, it's even. This is a simple way to implement that. I hope most of you have done this correct. So that's all. This is about even number. Next, moving forward to the next one. Whether an year is leap year or not. So don't worry about the class name. You can change it if you want. I'm just modifying all this logics in the same program. Nothing to worry. Maybe otherwise you can choose another new class. I taught you yesterday how to choose new class. Now you run this, of course. 10 is an even number. Then you get output as a is even. That's all. Suppose if I give 11, you don't get any output. Save this and then run this. No output this time. I had executed. If you don't believe me, again click on this. No output. Again click on this. No output. This is very clear. What is that? 11 is not even, so we don't get any output. I hope this is clear to all of you. Next, after that, another program. Whether an year is leap year or not. How to check whether an year is a leap year or not. It's very simple. Same as this, but small difference. Maybe you can change variable name to year and give some 4-digit number, because generally now we have four digits in a year. So 2016. Now if I want to check whether an year is leap year or not, divide that with 4 and equate it to 0. Then automatically what happens? This will check whether an year is a leap year or not. Leap year comes for every 4 years. Then what should we do then? We should divide that with 4. That's what we should do. Simple. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Is it clear to all of you, my dear friends? So this is how you should find whether an year is leap year or not. Now, let's move to the next program. Another one. Now just run this. 2016. Is it leap year? Yeah, just make a change the statement here from even to leap. Now, yes. Now run this and click on OK. Yep, 2016 is leap year. We have proved that with program. So I hope this is clear. Next one, another program. You can see all the list of programs here. First one, greatest of two numbers, we have done that. Even or not, we have done that. Leap year or not, we have done that. To check gender of a person, whether it is male or not. Let me just show you how to do this. It's very simple. Take one variable, char variable. Char ch equal to some m, semicolon. Now check this. If ch equal to, now you know it is equal to male, m, then the gender is male. If not, gender is female. Of course, here it's simple if you can check only one condition. It's not possible to go by condition by condition. Everything must be only one if. So here just check with whether this is M or not. If it is M, then you are male. Condition is true, then you can say that it's male. Suppose if I give F, then if I give F here, then condition will fail. Condition is false. Then what happens? Then you don't get any output. Now of course, let me check this with M first. Save this, run this. Now you can see we got male here. This is a simple way to check the gender of a person. Maybe you can ask me, sir, I want to see whether both the cases. Don't worry, we check that with multiple if just now. In this video itself, we are going to discuss about that. And the next one, and the last program is whether a person is eligible for voting or not. Generally in India, the age for voting is, minimum age for voting is 18 years. So here, you should take one more variable here. Now I'm just modifying the same program. Use this, and here instead of this, just declare one variable age equal to 19, excuse me. Now compare this. If age greater than or equal to 18, you know that very well. So in India, minimum age to vote is 18. So I'm just comparing that with age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then you are eligible for voting. So that's it. Very simple program. I had initialized 19. Obviously 19 is eligible for voting. So I'll just write it as eligible. If condition is false, we don't get any output with simple if. Simple if means only one if. If you have only one if, you don't get any output. I hope this is clear to all of you, my dear friends. So save this. Now run this. Run this program. Control F11. You can see it's showing eligible. I think this is clear, my dear friends. That's it. So you are eligible for voting. Understood now? So that's all, friends. This is idea about what is that. How to solve programs using simple if. In this way, you can work with as many programs as possible. So that's it, my dear friends. If you have any questions, please just type in my YouTube window in that comment section. But I hope you got clarity on the programs. Still, if you have any questions, just post in my comment section so that I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for listening to this video. Now we are going to start to discuss about multiple if. So far we have discussed about simple if, how to implement programs using simple if. In the next video, I am going to discuss how to work with multiple if. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and I hope you got an idea how to solve your programs if you don't have an idea. In the next video, I am going to teach you how to work with multiple if and different forms of if.